Good afternoon, guys. Today I am in Bristol, and today we have planned to meet their friend. And after that, I want to go walk around the Bristol. Okay, let's go with me.
Electric scooters.
This is for rent. I see a lot of people rent this. Wow, this is amazing. I not see this in UK before. This is first time for me. I think it's good idea, not need to buy. Before I show you around the Bristol, I think I want food first. Okay, go to restaurant now. We at Italian restaurant. She say the food here is delicious. And yes, I so happy to try something new. This is very nice chair outside, and today is very nice weather.
So this is pork belly carbonara. Spaghetti bolognese.
Yeah, look very nice. And this is food I order. It look nice. Yes, now we have food already, and we go look somewhere for coffee. In UK, I see a lot of restaurant is have table outside. I really love that. Look at that, the car. Have people walk past for this car, and a lot for people stop looking and take photo.
You see it only has one wheel at the front. Most true to life. 119. Yeah, it does well. It's properly authentic, isn't it? Yeah, it does well. So what brings you here? I've just come there for a tour. So the guy who owns this, I'm actually on the tour. Yeah. So yeah. Here's just what I've been doing now. Yeah, so just halfway around. Can we have an Earl Grey, all takeaway? Yep. Earl Grey tea with oat milk. Yeah. And do you want latte?
Yes, please.
And two lattes, please.
Yep.
All takeaway. All takeaway, yeah.
Him happy to show us for make coffee is look nice, and now him want to make us first. Oh,
so nice.
Thank you. Beautiful.
Check the score now. The colleagues checking.
And now him want to make swan.
It's more like a duck, this one.
Thank you.
Fantastic, thank you. Sorry, how long have you lived for?
No idea. I've been making coffee for about 10 years.
10 years, wow, okay.
What was that, maybe about 3 years in?
Wow.
I started off at a shop.
Yeah.
So never really installed today.
It was just assembly line, one in, one out, one in, one out. This is nice, this is a real skill. Thank you for showing us that.
Thank you. Inside the coffee shop is nice and full. Yeah, now we have coffee. Bristol is a city in the south west of England. It's the sixth most popular in England. Now we at the
Bristol Cathedral, which is probably about 1,000 years old.
I show you around this area. Is so nice. Wow, look at that. This is so beautiful.
What do you like most about Bristol, Rose?
I like the building and beautiful the park like this. And the coffee and restaurant is great. In Bristol today is lovely day, 18 degrees, not hot and not rain. Good for keep walk around here. Wow, look at that. This is have the big boat over there and have many birds. This is very nice place to come. Coffee, beer, the pub, the bar. Yes, have a lot. So happy to come today. one house like this, love? Garden. Have many.
You okay,
Look at that. Yeah.
I'm very kind of sheltered from the wind.
Now,
Thank you.
Well, that's it's rose lemonade for you. Thank you so much. Rose asked me what to, and I thought
I think she liked Pim's, yeah.
it's the quintessential British.
Yeah, it is, yeah.
This is very nice pub, and we sit and drink here. One drink, and after that we have to go walk outside. Now I have to go back home. Thank you very much guys for watching. If you like my video, please like, subscribe and follow me. Now I have to go. Bye bye.